So let's now do the conversions from octal to decimal, binary and hex systems. Now before you start doing it, it is very useful to write the binary to decimal system table. So you have 0000 all the way up to 1111, which is 0 through 15 respectively. Now let's take the octal to decimal. So assume that my octal number is, so octal to decimal, assume that my given number is 126.45. What is its decimal equivalent? So for the non-fractional part, so let's take the individual digits 126.45. Now if you remember, 6 is A0, so I just put the index 0, 2 is A1 and 1 is A2. Similarly 4 is index -1, 5 is index -2. So to convert this into decimal, you would write 6 times 8 raised to 0 plus 2 times 8 raised to 1 plus 1 times 8 raised to 2 plus 4 times 8 raised to -1 plus 5 times 8 raised to -2. So you can do the calculation and put the final value in decimal. Okay, now let's do the octal to binary conversion. So let me take the same thing. So you can do the long method, which takes octal to decimal and then decimal to binary, but a much more simpler way is you take each individual digits of the number, okay, and convert each of the numbers into binary using 3 bits. So this is where the table really helps us. So first we start off with 1. So 1 would be 001, 2 would be 010, and 6 would be 110. So you can verify that. So 2 would be this and 6 would be this. So 4 would be 100 and 5 would be 101. So the equivalent binary is 001. You can ignore the 2 zeros, but let's just put it 010, 110, 100, 101. I forgot to put this one, so that's the binary equivalent. So the next step would be to convert the octal to hex system. So the best way would be to convert octal to binary and then binary to hex. So let's take the previous example. We have already converted this into binary. So let's take the binary and we convert it into hex by grouping into 4s. That would be the first group and the second group. The third group will be just 0, so let's ignore that. This will be the first group, this will be the second group. Now let's do it into hex. So this one would be 101 is 5. You can look at the table. 0110 is 6, 0.1001 is 9, and 0100 is 4. So that would be 56.94. Therefore 126.45 in octal system is equivalent to 56.94 in hexadecimal system.